welcome to Proceeding Onward in America. So, we have lived in Woody for a year, maybe a little bit over a year, and we showed you an RV tour last year, and we wanted to show you all the changes that we've done since then, since we started living full-time and RVing onward in America. Well, let's go. First one, most importantly, my chair. We've upgraded. I now kind of match Fabian, but I have this lovely little thing. And I put my Patriots chair logos on it, so I still represent. Another one of the favorites that we've done is a bike rack. We added the jacket onto the front of our RV. We bought it at Camping World. They installed it for like $59.99. I believe the jacket cost a little under $200-ish. So overall, it can hold 2 bikes. I don't have a bike yet, but this is one of the new changes that we added to Woody. Show you the back. And here is our map. We have done a lot of traveling. So far, you have seen multiple of the states as we left Kentucky and head on up and into New York and on down. Unfortunately, you'll see in our videos for season 1, all the top hat. For season 2, you'll see all these down below. So stay tuned for our season 2. Let's go inside. Woo! Welcome back to Woody. Whoop whoop. Almost looks like Woody 2.0. So much more room. Our biggest one yet is renovating Woody and this L-shaped couch. We did a great job, so make sure you check out those videos that Fabian and I did for painting and also making the sofa. Another big update that we did is put a fantastic fan right on top of our bed, and we'll be adding one into our bathroom coming up pretty soon. So we can't show you that one, but we did order it, and that is going to be a new renovation that we've changed inside Woody. And on top of making this dinette system into an L shape, we added an end table, and we can store some things inside of here, and also USB plugs. But what we did is we tapped into the wiring down here and added our own little USB, so when we're sitting here we can charge our phones at the same time. We've also did, over to my left, the smart tiles. Whoop whoop. Don't mind the dirty sponge. But we did a whole new remodeling inside here. And then some videos that we do not have but would love to show you that we changed is right over here, inside of here. This used to be 2 drawers. Not much stuff is in here, but it got really heavy when we were putting all our stuff in it, and it was very hard to find your spices. So Fabian cut this one in half for me, or not in half, but he cut it, and he ended up making me a spice rack. So that is one of our renovations that we did inside of here. Then we had to deal with all the cans and everything else. We had a lot of storage, but we didn't really have good enough space for everything. So we utilized an empty space above our fridge. And we added cans. It's a little empty right now. We need to go shopping. But this is some of the big renovations that we did inside of here during our time of living for a whole year. And then one thing that we did in here, all my clothes are currently out of it because I am going to rearrange what I want to bring for our next adventure, because last time I brought too much. So I'll give you a little sneak peek with it empty. My closet when it's clean. We added one of these racks in here. I can put my my pants, my shirts, and everything in here. We also added these little motion lights inside because there is no light inside. So whenever I open the door, that light comes on and I can see inside. We have one up above and one down below. So this is some of the renovations that we did inside the bathroom. Hopefully looking forward to do that lovely fan pretty soon. So that's pretty much all our changes that we did inside Woody. It may seem like very little, but in the end it was really a lot. It helped it make it more like a home. It also opened it up. Definitely the dinette area, we can actually do things inside, and we have room.
We can actually dance.
We can dance. We can walk around. It's just so much bigger. So thank you for watching us and following us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and don't forget to become our Patreon so we can make more videos like this for you. And if you haven't seen our first video when we first got Woody, click up there. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know if you did any renovations or anything you think we should do inside of here. Thank you once again. Bye-bye.